If there's part of you that wonders, when will I be ready for love again? What if I miss my chance? This episode is for you because healthy love doesn't come from chasing readiness, it comes from living in alignment. And welcome back. This is episode 9 of the Relationship Trauma Healing Series. If you haven't started from the beginning, I highly recommend that you do that. Today, we're talking about something that many people feel quietly anxious about: how to prepare for healthy love without forcing yourself back out there, without pressure, and without abandoning your own healing. This isn't about timeliness, it's about creating internal conditions where healthy love can enter naturally. So we will move slowly. After healing work, many people feel a subtle pressure. I should be over this by now. I should be ready to date. I don't want to get stuck alone. What if I'm missing something? This pressure doesn't come from intuition. It comes from fear of being left behind, fear of being unchosen, fear of repeating the past, probably the biggest one. But health doesn't arrive because you pushed yourself forward. It arrives when your nervous system feels safe enough to receive it. And here's something important: readiness is not a mindset, it's a state. Your nervous system prepares for connection long before your mind makes a plan. And signs of readiness often look like less urgency around dating, more clarity around boundaries, feeling content without needing validation, trusting yourself to walk away if something feels off. Not excitement, not adrenaline, not longing. Readiness feels steady. And if steadiness still feels unfamiliar, that doesn't mean that you're not ready someday. It means your system is still learning safety. Now, this is important to hear. You don't need to prove you're healed. You don't need to rush yourself forward. And you don't need to be fearless. Healing is not something that you complete, it's something you live. And the goal isn't to be ready for love, the goal is to be rooted in yourself. So love doesn't require self abandonment when it arrives. So let's take this moment to place one hand on your heart and one on your lower abdomen, and gently ask yourself, what helps me to feel grounded in myself today? Not in a relationship, not out into the future, today. And you might notice simplicity, routine, rest, boundaries, creative expression. Preparation isn't about searching, it's about stabilizing your inner world. And that stability becomes the invitation. Here's the reframe that allows healthy love to enter without force. When you live in alignment with yourself, you stop attracting through longing and you start attracting through presence. You're no longer asking, will this person choose me? You're asking, can I be myself here? And that shift changes everything. Healthy love doesn't require pursuit, it recognizes when you're home in yourself. This series wasn't about becoming someone new, it was about releasing old attachment patterns, rebuilding self trust, learning safety in your own presence, redefining love in the body. Preparation isn't a step, it's a way of living, and you don't need to rush your heart. Healthy love doesn't arrive through pressure, it arrives through alignment when your body, boundaries, and sense of self are working together. Trust that and trust yourself. And if you choose to take your healing a step further, I am honored to walk your path with you, either in a healing retreat or in a virtual session. You choose. So go ahead and click the link below that will take you to the website where you can take a look at retreats or just schedule a consultation. And I would love to speak with you. Many blessings to you on your journey. Congratulations for getting to this episode. And I will see you in the next video or in a call. Many blessings, Tina Brigitini here.